Hello, Tomlin from Tomlin Harmonica School here. If you are watching this, it is because you want to learn your first 12-bar blues on a C harmonica. I'm going to show you how to play an easy 12-bar blues tune on your C harmonica. I'll be teaching it lick by lick with the tabs up on the screen. But I'm going to be starting with teaching you what a 12-bar blues is and then how that relates to the harmonica. A 12-bar blues is the most common chord progression in blues music. It features 3 chords called the 1, 4, and 5. And yes, we use Roman numerals for chord names. Here I am playing the 12-bar blues that I'm going to teach you, and the chord changes will be up on screen so that you can hear what they sound like. The guitar will be playing the chords, and the harmonica will be playing the melody. Okay, so that is a 12-bar blues in its most fundamental form. Grab your C harmonica and let's learn lick number 1. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want you to worry about what the rhythm is called. We're not going to be talking about quarter notes or eighth notes or anything like that. I want you to feel the rhythm. See if you can hum along and get that ba, 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 ba. Or you can try tapping. Just try and internalize the rhythm. Later on, we will talk about quarter notes, eighth notes, rests, and all that kind of stuff, but let's keep it simple for now. The other important thing that we're doing is we're focusing on one note. We're playing the 2-hole draw. And the reason we're playing that is that it is the root note of the 1 chord in our 12-bar blues. So we're using that rhythm, ba, 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 ba. And what I'm doing is I'm articulating that 2 draw. And I'm articulating that with my tongue by saying T sound. So I'm saying 2, 2. Or you can try a D sound, like do, do. Or you can try a K sound, like k, k. Now, why might you want to try different sounds? If you play the T sound and your 2 draw sounds thin, like this, it means that it's making you suck towards the front of your mouth. So playing maybe the D or the K sound will move that tongue further back and make it sound richer and warmer. Okay, and you're doing that on the first 2 notes because they're repeated one after the other, and then we don't need to worry so much about it over the next 2 notes because there's a little pause between them. Let's just try playing that again together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to repeat that lick twice. We're playing it over the first 4 bars of the 12-bar blues, so that's where the 1 chord is. So let's try playing it twice in a row before we move on to learning the next lick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's learn lick 2. Exactly the same rhythm as lick 1. The only thing we're changing is what note we're playing. So we're going to be playing the 4-hole blow. So that's hole number 4 on your harmonica on a blow note. And we're playing that because it is the root note of the 4 chord. So it will lock perfectly into the 4 chord in the next section of the 12-bar blues. So let's try that together. Same rhythm. I'm going to articulate the 4 blow for the first 2 notes and then play it without articulation for the next 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to play that once before you come back to playing lick 1 again. So let's try playing lick 2 once, and then coming back to lick 1 once. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. And then we're going to move into lick number 3. Lick number 3 is going to sound like this. It's a little bit different from licks 1 and 2, but you can see that there's a theme that we've established. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are we doing? Well, over the 5 chord, which is the beginning of the lick, we're playing the 4 draw, and we're playing that twice with the same rhythm that we've used for the other licks. So we're doing 4 draw with the articulation. When we move to the next chord, which will be the 4 chord, we're going to play the 4 blow again. Remember, the 4 blow was the root note of the 4 chord with the same rhythm. So 4 draw, ba, ba, 4 blow, ba, ba. So let's try that together, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. We are almost at the end of this 12-bar blues tune. We just have one more lick to learn. Okay, this is what lick 4 is going to sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very similar rhythm to licks 1 and 2. We're just changing ever so slightly. So focus on how it sounds, how it feels. So we're playing 2 draw for the first 3 notes. And then our final note is going to be a 1 draw. And the reason for that is because this lick is called a turnaround. So that happens at the end of some 12-bar blues structures. We play what's known as a turnaround to let us know that we're about to start the 12-bar blues chord progression again. So that's just hitting the 1 draw. Okay, so let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now, that is all of our licks. So if you want, you can pause the video and just work through each lick one by one until you're comfortable with them. When you're happy, you can try putting it all together and playing it as the full 12-bar blues solo. Now, for the fun part, let's put it all together and play it as a full tune with the guitar. This was part of the beginner curriculum over at Tomlin Harmonica School, which you can get a 14-day free trial to and check everything we offer out by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy. Happy harping.